Hey everyone, I wanted to do a video showing you a cool little trick that I do when it comes to increasing my savings for long-term wealth. Because long-term wealth is a very important goal, and I think everyone should dedicate some type of focus to that. I'm not just a day trader. I'm a huge advocate for building long-term wealth, diversifying income, spending less, saving more, pretty much Dave Ramsey type stuff. So I try to exploit every opportunity I can when it comes to growing my long-term portfolio. And one tactic that I use is obtaining free shares of stock every single month just by doing one simple thing, and that is paying for all my monthly expenses such as gas, groceries, and recurring bills using my Charles Schwab credit card. Now, most credit cards these days offer a cashback rewards program, enabling you to receive cashback on the purchases you make. So here, Charles Schwab offers 1.5% cashback on any and all purchases that you make with the credit card. So if you spend $100 in groceries, you are going to get $1.50 back just for using the card. So that is literally free money just for paying for something that you need anyways. Now, you only get this 1.5% cash back if you pay the entire balance in full every month, which is exactly what you should be doing with a credit card anyways. Credit cards carry a very high interest rate if you have an outstanding balance. So you have to be very careful on how you spend money using a credit card. So this is why I only use this to pay for the necessities I'm going to pay for anyways for the entire month, such as gas, food, Netflix, gym memberships, and other recurring bills. All right. That way, at the end of the month, it's very easy to pay off because those types of expenses is something I pay for on a regular basis. So if I'm going to pay for that stuff anyways, why not take advantage of this cashback rewards offer? Now, I know a lot of investors are obsessed with receiving these dividends from these companies. Think of this 1.5% as a monthly dividend on the money that you spend every month. You're going to spend it anyways, why not get paid for it? Now, what's cool about using a big name broker for your long-term investment accounts, such as Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, or Fidelity, they each have their own cashback rewards credit card that you can sign up for. So this tactic that I'm about to show you will work with any of those brokers, but since I use Charles Schwab, we're going to use this as our example. Now, Charles Schwab has two options when it comes to choosing a credit card. I personally use this one because it has no annual fee. So this should be pretty easy to get and maintain if you have a good credit score. But what this does is that it gives you 1.5% cash back automatically deposited into your eligible Schwab account for every purchase that you make with the card. But in order to get the 1.5% every month, you have to pay off the credit card balance every month. All right, so let me show you an example here. I just got this card 2 months ago, and so far I got $88 in free money just for using the card to make everyday purchases. But just by looking at this, I get about $44 a month in free cashback rewards. Now, this is where things can get really exciting. $44 a month isn't a whole lot, but if you take that money and reinvest it by purchasing shares with it every single month, we're potentially talking about six figures 30, 40 years down the road. So this is how I reinvest these rewards, and I do it by purchasing stocks. Charles Schwab offers a cool feature to where you can buy fractional shares of a company. And other brokers do this as well, but Charles Schwab calls this stock slices. So what this allows you to do is purchase any company in the S&P 500 for as little as $5. For example, you see the normal stock prices of Netflix, Apple, and Facebook are well in the hundreds of dollars. But what buying a fractional share does, or a slice as Charles Schwab calls it, it allows you to buy a percentage of one share. So that enables you to still partake in the benefits of owning these expensive companies without the high dollar price tag of owning a full share. So because you are able to buy these high dollar companies by purchasing slices, you can now take the money you receive from the cash back rewards card and purchase these stocks, and you get them for absolutely free. All right, so let me show you here what I've bought so far with my cashback rewards. And what I've done was actually create a whole separate account just for free stocks, because I think it will be really cool to watch this grow. And then 30, 40 years from now, I can say, well, now I have a six-figure account and I got this all for free. But anyway, I bought 9 stocks with my $88 using $84.83 of it, and each stock was purchased for about $9.50 per share. But if you come over here, this is the current price per share of each of these stocks. And as you can see, all of them are well over $100. But since I only bought $9.50 worth of a share, it's actually going to give me a fraction of a share. So as you can see, Nvidia here is worth $550 per share, but since I only bought $9.49 worth of its stock, I'm going to get 0.0198 worth of a share. Now, that may not seem like a whole lot, but this is what you have to realize. No matter what Nvidia does, whether it gains 10% or loses 10%, the market value of my current holding is going to reflect what the normal stock price does. So really, the normal stock price doesn't matter. A 10% rise in the normal stock price is still going to be a 10% rise of my current market holding. So this is a way to benefit from the growth of these strong companies without having a whole lot of money. And as you can see here, I purchased these a month ago. I've already gained 3.69%. And this is just growth on top of free money. So I hope you can see that this free money that I get from this reward program is going to grow exponentially over the years. And it's all because I'm able to purchase fractional shares of these strong companies every single month that I get the cashback rewards. And after doing this every month for the next 20, 30 years, you can imagine how big the account will become. And it will all be absolutely free. So I hope you take advantage of this cool little trick. I hope you all learned something. Thank you so much for watching.